Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google account that's allowed by a parent and a compatible Android device. Open the Google Pay app and sign in. If you're under 18, request parental approval through Family Link once prompted. Next, choose to add a payment method. You can link a debit card or bank account, or set up a virtual card if your bank supports it. This initial phase ensures permissions and payment sources are in place before adding cards or sending money. Once payment details are entered, you must verify the method to use Google Pay. Follow the bank's verification flow. Enter an OTP, confirm a small temporary charge, or authenticate via your bank's app. Make sure billing info matches the bank record to avoid rejection. If Family Link is active, hand the device to your parent so they can approve the final authorization. This step links parental controls to spending limits and visibility. After verification, the card becomes active for contactless and online use. Now you can tap to pay in stores, check out online, or send money to contacts within limits. Make sure to enable screen lock and app notifications so you see transactions immediately. Parents can set spending caps if needed. If a payment is declined, first check the app for error codes, then verify the card hasn't expired and that bank holds aren't blocking transfers. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card or ask the parent to contact the bank for authorization. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.